my relationship with Christ without alcohol, it has grown so much deeper. Was socializing and alcohol my idol? It definitely was for a very long time, but I think I didn't like that. And when I realized that, that was ultimately what sort of flipped the switch for me. And as Orthodox Christians, it's important to remember our loyalty is to God. Anything or anyone, an unhealthy relationship, alcohol addiction, whatever it could be, that puts an object or idol in his place is not right. And so it really made me think, like, was my relationship with alcohol more important to me than God? Was social acceptance more important to me than being obedient to Christ? I think for a while it was. And as I matured and really got my priorities straight, I realized that maybe these things were idols and I had to squash it immediately.